So I haven't made any money so far yet today, as you can see right here, but over the entire time I was testing this method out, I made over $571 without having to spend a cent for traffic. Now as you can see right here, I already spent like $300 from these earnings to test different methods out, but just for setting up this method I was able to make almost $600 in a week. So if you are going to be doing this exact same method, you can make extra $2,000 per month without having to sell anything at all. Now in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial how to set up this exact same method that I used myself to make almost $600 in a week. And the best part about this method is you don't have to create any content at all. So if you enjoy videos about making money online, make sure to hit the like button under this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and also in the comment section below tell me what's your favorite way to make money online. So first of all, what you want to do is go to TikTok and grab yourself an account. Although you will not be posting any content yourself, it's better to have an account because that way you will be able to save the videos from other creators that you can use for this method. And what you want to do is go to the search bar and search for something like wealth mindset, and you can go with something like money, motivation, video, Tate Club, anything from these recommendations. Pretty much what you want to do is find a bunch of videos that have huge amounts of views and have something to do with making money or the mindset regarding making money. As you can see, these videos are getting insane amount of views on TikTok, ranging from hundreds of thousands of views right here to even millions of views per one single video. And these videos can be used to make money for you without creating something like this yourself. Now what you want to do first is just go ahead and find a couple of these videos that you want to go with. And for example, let's go with this one right here. I'm going to show you this process step by step using just one of these videos. But what you want to actually do is go ahead and recreate this entire process for as many of these videos as you possibly can. That way you're going to increase your chance of making money with this method and it will multiply your results. So what you want to do is go ahead and open one of these videos and pause it, and you want to use this timeline, this slide bar at the bottom to find a frame that's going to have something interesting in it that's going to entice people to click on it. So if I'm going to scroll through this video using this time bar, for example, right here there's Robert Kiyosaki explaining something to do with the wealth and money mindset, and it has this very catchy sentence, I want to do what I love, in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to position the playhead somewhere right here where it's going to show Robert Kiyosaki and have this sentence at there. And then what you want to do is just go ahead and take a partial screenshot of this video, so it's going to look something like this, okay? And you can even use the same video to create multiple of these screenshots. For example, if I'm going to move the playhead a little bit forward, I'm going to look for another frame that's going to have something interesting in it, for example like this one right here. So I'm just going to do the exact same thing and take another screenshot. And keep in mind guys, this is not stealing anything because you're literally just taking a screenshot from somebody else's video, and actually you are giving them credit because down here you can see the TikTok handle is going to be displayed. So actually you are going to be helping them get more traffic, and that means they are going to get more views and you're going to make some money in the process. So once you take a couple of screenshots just like this, what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for Google Sites. Go to Google Sites, and what you want to do here is just create a simple landing page that we are going to use as a connection between the traffic source and the actual TikTok itself, and we are going to make money in the process. What you want to do is just go ahead and get rid of all these elements and upload one of the screenshots that you have just took and position it on the site something like this. Then just go ahead and add a text box right above it, and what you want to do here is create a very catchy title. So you can either write something yourself or you can just simply go to ChatGPT, and what you want to do here is ask it to write you a catchy title for promoting wealth mindset video. Hit enter, let ChatGPT do its thing, and as you can see right here, it's going to generate a title for you in just a couple of seconds without you having to do any thinking at all. So what I'm going to do is just copy this title just like that, go back to Google Sites, paste it in there, and once you're going to paste it in there, you want to go ahead and customize it. So what I'm going to do is increase the size, for example, to 48, just like that, then just underscore it, and I'm going to also change the color to something like this, for example, and what I'm going to do is also change the font of the text because I don't like this one. So I'm just going to click on the fonts and choose one that I like more. For example, like this one right here. Then what you want to do is add another text box right between the video and the title, and what you want to write in there is something like, watch this video to learn how to program your mind to become wealthy. Then just go ahead and customize this a little bit as well. For example, position it right in the middle, just like this. Also make it bold, increase the text size to, for example, 24. Now what you actually need is a way how to monetize this simple landing site. And for that, what you want to do is go to cpagrip.com. Just go to CPA Grip, grab yourself a free account. If you don't know how to do that, just watch one of my other CPA marketing videos where I will explain this process in greater detail. Then just log into your account. And once you log into your account, you want to go to this toolbar and you want to click on URL/file lockers. Just click on create new URL locker, go through these terms of service, then just click on agree. And what you want to do then is click on continue. And now you just want to customize this URL locker. Pretty much I like to go with this very simple CAPTCHA looking template because it's very familiar and people who are going to come to your landing site will instantly know that they are supposed to fill it out, and once they do, you are going to get paid money. Pretty much what you want to do is choose a template that you want to go with from these options on CPA Grip, and what you want to do then is just go back to general and you want to customize the text on it. So pretty much I'm going to customize it into something like complete the CAPTCHA below to be taken to the video URL, just like that. Then just go to this anchor text, and what you want to type there is something like, after completion you will be redirected to the video URL. Then just go to this section where it says locked URL, and what you want to do is just go ahead and paste the URL to the original TikTok that you have gotten your screenshots from. And to do that, just go to this description, and as you can see right here, you can pretty much just click on copy link, and the link to this TikTok will be copied. All you have to do then is just go back to CPA Grip and paste it into this field, just like that. And one of my simple tricks that I like using with CPA lockers just like this is just change this access time to as little as possible, because that way every time somebody's going to click on it, they will be taken to the video and you will be paid money. But once they're going to go through your site again and they will want to see the video again, they will have to complete the content locker one more time, and that way you can get paid multiple times from one single person. So once you finish your URL locker, all you want to do now is just click on save. All you have to do then is just click on this get links button, and you want to copy the URL to your content locker. Just copy that, go to your Google landing site, and what you want to do here is just click on this embed button and you want to paste the URL in there. Pretty much this is going to embed the CPA locker to the Google landing site, and if you're going to do that, what you want to do is actually resize it and position it next to the screenshot of the video. Just like this, for example, and as you can see there's still some space right here, so I'm just going to stretch it out a little bit, make it the same size as the video. And what you can also do is go ahead and click on this image and embed that with the same CPA locker. That way, every time somebody is going to try to circumvent this, they will simply click on the screenshot of the video, and they will still have to complete the offers, and you will still make some, and you will still make some money if they want to see the TikTok video. So pretty much once you finish the site just like this, what you want to do is click on publish, and you want to choose a domain name for it. And in this case, I'm going with something like Wealth Mindset 2023. Just click on publish, and what you want to do then is just view your Google landing site and you want to copy its link. Now all you need to do is just start sharing this simple landing site with people who may be interested in seeing wealth mindset videos, and pretty much you can go ahead and do that for example Facebook groups or Twitter. But these huge social media platforms tend to get saturated with these types of methods. That's why I'm going to give you my secret traffic source that I've been using for offers just like this, that's completely unsaturated, so you can use it just as well. What you want to do is go to Google and you want to go to the search bar and type in there gab.com. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this first search result. That's the social media platform called Gab, and what you want to do there is just pretty much grab yourself an account, and as you can see, this is social media platform very similar to Twitter, but it's not as saturated with these methods as Twitter. So what you want to do is go to this search bar and you want to search for something like wealth mindset. Hit the search button and you want to filter by groups, and you will find all these groups right here on Gab that are dedicated to spreading wealth mindset content. And all you have to do then is just go ahead and create a simple post promoting your Google landing site with the video embedded from TikTok, and that way you will start getting some traffic to it. Now, because these people from the wealth mindset groups are interested in seeing content just like this, they will complete the CPA locker, they will be taken to the TikTok video, and you will actually be driving traffic to this creator's content without having to create anything yourself, and you will be still making money with it. So that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this method. If you did, just hit the like button if you haven't already, and for more free money making content, check out this video right here, and I'm going to see you there.